Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Hartati and I am delighted here online today in the International Conference of Technology on Community and Environmental Development to present our paper entitled Optimizing the Drying Process of Menoreh Coffee Beans Using Microwave Techniques. The Menoreh Hills are located in Samigaluh District, Kulon Progo Regency, Special Region of Yogyakarta. One of the villages in this area is Sidoarjo, which has an area of around 1,000 hectares, equivalent to 90.84% of the total area of Samigaluh. Sidoarjo is located at the altitude of 600 meters above the sea level, so the majority of the population depends their livelihood on the agriculture and plantation sectors. Farmers in Sidoarjo village generally apply the intercropping method in coffee cultivation. In this method, coffee plants are grown alongside cocoa plants. These planting patterns characterize Menoreh coffee beans, which have a distinctive mocha aroma derived from cocoa plants. The processing of coffee cherries into ready-to-use coffee beans involves several stages, one of which is drying. The purpose of coffee drying is to reduce the moisture content to around 12.5%, preventing mold growth and maintains the quality of coffee beans. Currently, Menoreh coffee farmers carry out the drying process naturally by sun drying. On the other hand, this method requires a longer time, up to several weeks, which can cause unpleasant odors and a decrease in the quality of coffee beans. The methods of drying coffee cherries using a microwave is an alternative that can be developed in order to optimize the drying process of Menoreh coffee. Microwave drying has several advantages such as high drying speed, good energy efficiency, deep microwave energy penetrations, responsive and accurate electronic controls, and a clean heating process. Based on the explanation above, it is necessary to research the drying characteristics of Menoreh coffee beans using a microwave. The test was conducted on two variations of heating temperature to determine the effective temperatures for the drying process. The development and application of this technology aims to improve the quality and the efficiency of Menoreh coffee productions, provide added value for farmers, and support the sustainability of the local coffee industry. The coffee bean used in this research was taken from the Menoreh Hills located in Sidoarjo Village, Samigaluh District, Kulon Progo Regency. The coffee cherries used in this research is fresh and have not undergone any processing. This research used microwave method with components shown in the picture. The components are temperature controller, reactor, microwave ovens, digital balance, computer, and sample container. In this study, the drying characteristics of Menoreh coffee beans were tested using the microwave methods. The test was conducted at 80 watt power with two temperature variation, which is 90 and 100 degrees Celsius. Physically, the Menoreh coffee beans that have been dried using the microwave methods for 30 minutes show a color change to brown. The coffee beans exhibit the same color in both temperature variations. This indicates that drying temperature within this range does not significantly affect the final color of the coffee beans. This color change signifies that the drying process is sufficient to remove moisture from coffee beans. This paragraph shows the reduction in moisture contents of Menoreh coffee beans calculated on a weight basis. When drying at 90 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, the moisture contents of coffee beans decreased to 6.6% from an initial moisture content of 47.6%. While drying at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, the moisture content decreased to 4.7% from an initial moisture content of 49.78%. Thus, drying at 90 and 100 degrees Celsius resulted in moisture content reduction of 40.96% and 45.02% respectively. This phenomenon indicates that the higher the drying temperature, the faster the rate of moisture content reductions. So, higher temperatures accelerate the coffee bean drying process. The content K value at 90 degrees Celsius drying was 0.05% per second, while at 100 degrees Celsius it was 0.05% per second. This indicates that there is a rapid and constant reduction in moisture content in the initial phase of the drying process. On the other hand, the constant K value at 100 degrees Celsius drying is higher than the one at 90 degrees Celsius. A higher constant K value results in faster drying of the coffee beans because the free moisture content is released more quickly. The decreasing drying rates at a 90 degrees Celsius temperature is 0.03% per second, while during drying at 100 degrees Celsius temperature is 0.4% per second. The K decrease value indicates that the reduction in moisture content is no longer significant, but bound moisture content is still released. A higher K decrease value indicates a higher ability to release bound moisture content during drying. Based on the graph of the energy intensity value of the drying coffee beans during a microwave drying at 90 degrees Celsius was 0.00028% per joule moisture content, while at 100 degrees Celsius it was 0.31% per joule per moisture content. This energy intensity value shows how efficiently energy is used to dry coffee beans. This energy intensity value shows how efficiency energy is used to dry coffee beans. The higher value at 100 degrees Celsius indicates that the microwave is more efficient in drying coffee beans at a higher temperatures, although the difference is slight. From testing of the drying characteristic of Menoreh coffee beans using a microwave at 80 watt power with temperature variation, the following results were obtained. One is the more effective temperature for drying Menoreh coffee beans using the microwave methods is 100 degrees Celsius. The reduction in moisture content obtained after the drying process at 90 and 100 degrees Celsius is 40.96% and 45.02% respectively. The microwave method's drying process has been proven to require less time than the conventional ones, which is sun drying. I think that's our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.